Told y'all we gonna have a lot of bangers. Even the box is cute.
Damn.
Ladies and gentlemen,
what's up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I be Renee. Guess what? We have more packages. So I thought I would share with you guys what I got this time that I've accumulated in the past. There's a hair on me. In the past couple of weeks. Some of them are already opened, but I thought I would throw them in there because I don't want to leave out the juiciness. You know what I'm saying? We'll start with this box. Literally just got this, and it's from Bumble and Bubble. It's so cute. I love it. It's so cute. And then I guess they have like a line, like a thickening line. So these are like all the products that are out in the line. I only got one of the products, but that is totally fine. They sent me this. So yeah, they sent me that. I already opened it. These two, I wanted to make sure they fit. They're so cute to me. These are just some white chunky slides, and they have gold accent on them, and they do fit. I am usually an 8.5. I mean an 8, but I needed these in an 8.5. I had other colors too. Everything is going to be linked down below, babes. The sun is going in and out, so if I go from like pale to orange, just disregard. I know what this is. I have to do an unboxing for this. Like, I have to. Oh, the dust bag. No, look how pretty. Wow. I'm not gonna open it all the way up because, like I said, I'm gonna do like an unboxing. But wow. Oh, it feels so nice. Do you hear that? The chain is nice. Even the box is cute. Look. Wow, this is such a nice bag, and this handle is handling. I'm so hyped right now. Wow. Okay, next up is boots. I've definitely seen these boots before. I mean, the boot is cute as hell. Could you imagine, like with some jeans or like a sweater dress or something like that? Okay, so I got this bag. It gives me Steve Madden kind of vibe. Oh my god, it's freaking huge. Okay, I didn't know it was gonna be that big. But this is cute. Okay, just like a nice quilted. It feels pretty sturdy. They had a shit ton of colors, like a shit ton. It does have a crossbody strap, and it's got, I don't really like the pattern on the inside, but it's got pockets and things, space for your laptop. You know, when I get in my bag or whatever, and then I can go and like, oh, let me do my work at a coffee shop. I have a cute bag for that. I don't have anything from Cupsheet, actually. It's supposed to be a lounge around the house outfit, but it's honestly giving more lounge on the beach vacation type thing. No tags, which I like, so it won't be itchy. I think I got a medium. It seems hella long. Nice and stretchy. No, look at that. It's like a rhinestone bag, and it is, look. It's actually really sick. Kind of like Mod Podgey, and then the gems are like stuck into the Mod Podge. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at that shine, baby. In photos, this is gonna be fire. Told y'all we gonna have a lot of bangers. I'm literally doing my nails in the next couple of days, so it's perfect. It's just like this little nail kit. It comes with everything I need for like my cuticles and getting rid of the polygel on my nails. So yeah, I needed this for my kid. Let me tell y'all something. I'm terrified of doing my cuticles, like cutting them and shit. Like I have a fear. I have a fear that I'm just gonna and just start bleeding like to death. Oh, this is a wig. It's like a bob wig with bangs. I think I might give myself a break from straightening my hair, so I thought this might be a good idea. I think this is 12 inches, which is long. I'll probably end up cutting it because I don't think I want it that long. Fleece lined tights. And I've been seeing them go around, and I figured, and here in Texas it doesn't really get cold until like a later January, so I might get me some, you know. They sent me their fleece lined tights. They have two different kinds, and one was lighter, and I was like, I don't want to be hot, so I'll get the lighter ones. It wasn't no fleece in that shit, so yeah, I had them send me the the actual fleece lined ones. The feet are not fleece lined, but this looks like regular, you know what I'm saying? And then they have the fleece on the inside. Now that's supposed to be one size fits all, but child. Oh no, it says large. I wanted this cross. I don't know if I like it. I want it to be like layer, you know, with the other necklaces I have, but I don't know. It looks kind of I mean, it is really inexpensive, but it looks inexpensive too, and I don't like that. Oh, these are just some extra anklets. These are just beads that I can put on. I had not heard of this brand before, but the nail polish looks really, really cute. It's just like this pinky color. Oh yeah, I love that kind of stuff. Like as a base color, superb. This is just a pumice stone. Do you call it a pumice stone? It's not a pumice stone. It's a foot grinder. I don't like that word. But it was so cute. I have like a black one, but that one was ugly to me. This is cute. So this I got for my birthday. It was a little late, but you know what I'm saying? It's okay. It's okay, girl. You know what I'm saying? I got love for you. This is from Bobbi Brown. They sent me this sheer powder brush. I'm always down for a powder brush. They also sent me like a mini lip. This is in red velvet. Joking? Then they sent me this Bobbi Brown highlighter. Yeah, girl. Definitely doing that. Look at this little clutch. It's got Bobbi Brown embossed on the side. Girl. Magnetic closure. Cute. Inside was their Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. Why is this my exact shade? It's freaking perfect. Bobbi. N070. And then they also sent a cleansing oil. So, love that. Bobbi. Thanks, girl. But yeah, that's everything that I've got recently. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. I like basically like unboxing, gifty type videos, PR videos. It's like Christmas and I freaking love it. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about how I got these items, what can you do to get these items, or things like these, just let me know as well. We can talk about it, like I said, in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.